Nagbayad ka na rin ba ng training? Kasi ang pangako is pagkatapos may client na kayo. If yes, then watch this video until the end because Hi, Mary here. Everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video. So pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Kung ikaw ay aspiring freelancer, gusto mo sanang mag-enroll, but ang mindset mo is that after kung i-take tong training na to, makakahanap na ako ng client, i-swipe up nyo na lang to, next na video na lang kayo because this is not what we offer. And as early as now, I'm telling you that's just not how it works. No matter how many mentees I've had na nagsabi na, Mami, nakahanap na ako ng work. Or yung mga sumusunod sa 364-day challenge natin, na nagsabi na, uy, sinundan ko to, pagdating ko dito sa step na to, may client na ako, thank you so much, mga ganon. I will never use yung idea na dahil sa pag-take ko ng class sa Blogimery Group, nakahanap ako ng client as some form of marketing. Because dito sa Blogimery Group, what we teach is kung paano kang makakahanap ng client on your own. Now, I can ask my previous mentees to show up and perhaps present to class or talk sa mga live sessions about their experiences, their success. But I will never use that as some form of marketing kasi alam ko na ang mga tao may iba-iba tayong learning phase. And we teach our mentees ng mga industry standards, how the industry work, overall industry knowledge. What we show you guys are not mere theories, not even guesswork. Ito ay kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa mga client namin. Lahat kami ng mentors sa Blogimery Group ay yun talaga yung ginagawa namin for our clients. What we will show you and what we will train you, not really focused on knowledge alone, but action. And so, no matter how hard we work as your mentors, no matter how hands-on we are, as long as you do not take action, walang mangyayari. Lalong-lalo na dito sa padating natin na class, which is yung ngayong weekend, yung PPC class natin. PPC is media buying. And kahit na gaano pang karaming theoretical class yung attenda ninyo, as long as hindi mo siya napapractice, baliwala. Hindi mo siya magagamit para makatulong na ma-identify ano yung mga areas nung business ni client na magandang mag-run ng ads, paano ka mag-set up ng strategy ng ads, ano yung mga kailangan mong i-test, mga for A/B testing, paano ba yung kailangan gawin ng isang media buyer para maging effective yung mga iraran nila na ads for a particular business. If you guys wanna work as a media buyer, yung mga, kasi alam ko ang dami nakakarinig dito na, huy, sabi ni malaki daw yung kita sa media buying. Specifically Facebook, ang daming nagtuturo ng Facebook media buying. Pero wala pa ako nakikita na nag-share na bakit media buying lang. Kaya nag-start ako mag-create ng contents about parang awareness na, guys, when you start studying media buying, I would highly recommend pag-aralan yung mag-run sa lahat ng platforms. For example, you have to learn yung back-end. Pinakang importante, you need to know how to run ads sa Google. After that, saka kayo mag-niche down, pag-aralan yung mga platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And you should be good. Because everything that falls under media buying, kapag alam mo yung diskarte sa isang platform, pwede mong gamitin yung knowledge na yon sa other platforms na in reality, under SEO, sa Google lahat nakadepende ngayon. Sa search engine lahat. So, if you guys want to learn how to run ads, we have a class this coming Saturday and Sunday ngayon. 8 a.m. hanggang 12 noon yung class. 2 araw yung klase ha, Saturday at Sunday. After nun, may 2 weeks na internship. Output-based yung internship ninyo. Bibigyan kayo ng access sa ads account ni Grace, which is yung mentor natin. And after nun, magkakaroon kayo ng mga homeworks, we call it homeworks, during the internship. The goal at the end of the internship is that you have a better understanding na ng mga platforms na ginagamit, how to create strategies, how to do your research in running your ads, how to test, And everything na gagawin ninyo sa internship ay pwede ninyong gamitin at ilagay sa inyong portfolio. After nun, dun pa lang papasok yung application book kung saan tuturuan namin kayong maghanap ng clients. Again, maghahanap kayo ng clients, hindi yung bibigyan namin kayo. The next challenge na hinaharap ng mga aspiring freelancers na gusto na mag-start na mag-work from home is yun namang paano ko malaman kung tama yung nasa portfolio ko, resume, cover letter, and paano nga ba sumagot ng interviews, or paano yung mga discovery call. That is why part of our training is called the final activity, wherein you will submit your resume, cover letter, portfolio, and everything else na kailangan mo para mag-apply. Then, mag-schedule ka na ng one-on-one with me. Ito na yung certification natin. And I don't think I'd usually say this sa mga post ko for our trainings, but I think it's only but normal na merong after-training assistance wherein kahit na 2 taon na talaga guys na naka-enroll yung mga bebe ko, nagbe-message pa rin sila sa amin. And we really have that. I mean, it's only but common that you expect that after you join the training, wala namang ibang pwedeng magturo sa'yo. Gaman naman na nag-training ka dito, tapos dito ka magtatanong ng tungkol doon sa subject matter na yun. So yes, we have that here. And lahat ng to is kasama na dun sa fee namin na 999 pesos. If you guys wanna join this upcoming training, malapit na po talaga siyang magsara. Malapit na siyang magsara, malapit na namin i-close yung form. So mag-join na kayo, i-click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko or i-copy nyo to tapos i-paste niyo sa Chrome. Instagram, ganun din, nandito lang siya sa link na to or i-copy nyo siya sa Chrome. Kung nasa Facebook ko naman kayo, dapat makita nyo na yung direct link dun sa form namin. I-check nyo lang yung caption, lalo na kung nagkaka-error kayo dun sa link sa bio ko sa TikTok. Ganon din naman, nakapost din tong video na to sa YouTube namin, so i-check nyo na lang yung description box. You will then be taken to this page where you will see PPCDA, 999 pesos lang siya, kasama ng lahat ng nabanggit ko doon. So from the 2 live sessions, plus yung 2 weeks na internship, plus yung mock interview, plus yung application book, plus lahat na. So kung gusto nyo matutong mag-run ng ads, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng client, kung ang goal ninyo is just to learn the industry, or no matter what your goal is, one thing that I think sets us apart from other training camps is that this is a hands-on training. This is a place where you will be required to take action. You will be pushed to learn something new every single day. And just like our mentees, we also strive to work better para mas may proof pa yung mga classes namin. Kung gusto nyo malaman what our trainees are saying, pupost ko na siya dito, and dito. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home. Cheesies. Bye!